Hey, everyone! Welcome to another 5-minute English lesson. Today, we're diving into a super useful phrase, in the long run. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what it means, how to use it in different situations, and how to impress your friends with it. So, grab a notebook, and let's get started. So, what does in the long run actually mean? It's a phrase we use to talk about the future or the long-term effects of something. When we say something will help in the long run, we're looking at the bigger picture, the benefits that come after a period of time, even if things are challenging right now. For example, exercising may feel hard today, but it will benefit you in the long run. This means that even though it's tough now, the long-term result is a healthier and stronger you. Another common context is when we talk about studying or learning. For instance, learning English takes time, but in the long run, it will open up many opportunities for you. This highlights how your effort today will lead to bigger rewards in the future. Let's explore a few more examples to deepen your understanding. 1. Eating healthy may seem restrictive, but it's worth it in the long run. This means the sacrifices you make now will pay off later with better health. 2. Building good habits takes effort, but in the long run, it makes life easier. Think about habits like waking up early or planning your day. These might be hard to adopt now, but they bring long-term benefits. And one of my favorites. Helping others might not seem rewarding immediately, but in the long run, it builds meaningful relationships. This phrase really encourages us to focus on the bigger picture, doesn't it? This phrase is so versatile. You can use it to encourage someone who's facing challenges or even to remind yourself to stay focused on the future. Here are some ways it's commonly used. In health, quitting smoking is difficult, but in the long run, it's the best decision for your body. In careers, taking a job with lower pay now might help you build skills that benefit you in the long run. In relationships, honest communication might lead to tough conversations, but in the long run, it strengthens the bond. You can see how this phrase works perfectly in both personal and professional situations. Now, it's your turn. Think about your life. What's something you're working on now that might seem hard but will benefit you in the long run? Maybe it's practicing an instrument, building a new skill like coding or public speaking, even something like decluttering your home. Pause the video for a moment if you need to think, and when you're ready, share your example in the comments below. I'd love to see how you're applying this idea in your life. Before we wrap up, let's expand our vocabulary. Synonyms. A direct synonym is in the long term, which has the same meaning. Example, this project might take months, but it will succeed in the long term. Another synonym is eventually. Example, eventually, your hard work will pay off. Antonyms, the opposite would be in the short term, which focuses on immediate results. Example, eating fast food is satisfying in the short term, but it's unhealthy in the long run. Other words for quick or immediate results include right away or immediately. Knowing both opposites and synonyms helps you master the full range of expressions. Awesome job today! You've learned the meaning, examples, and variations of in the long run. Remember, learning English might feel like a big task now, but it's going to help you so much in the long run. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Also, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss tomorrow's 5-minute lesson. See you next time.